Does it tell me how much it is? I'm falling over on my seat. Hey cuties! So today I'm going to be doing a buying the cheapest thing. I haven't done one of these in so long and you guys have been asking, why aren't I doing it? What is wrong? Is my lash falling off? It is not. I'm buying the cheapest thing on what I've been requested for so long. Tiffany. I could just imagine, I don't know what the heck is gonna even happen right now. We are gonna go on together and take a look at Tiffany, and then when it gets here, if you don't know the cheapest thing, I buy whatever it is, even if I have no use for it, or if I'm like, what? Even if it's like $400, which you guys know, like we've had ones before that are like not cheap. We've had ones before that are so cheap. I'm gonna buy whatever it is, I'm gonna get it shipped here. I'll let you know the price, the shipping, how long it takes to get here, and I'm gonna unbox it for you guys, and what I'm going to try to have use for it for. Let's go into Tiffany, and let's try to figure out what we're doing right now. Okay, so is it just Tiffany.com? Tiffany.ca, because I'm Canadian, so they're gonna be in Canadian prices. Français, definitely English. Okay, so the home screen right now of Tiffany, we have the categories are jewelry, love and engagement, watches, home and accessories, fragrance, men, and gifts. And we always don't go to gifts because they're literally just suggestions of everything else that is what we already looked at. So we're probably just not gonna pay any mind to that, which is totes my goats fine. Okay, so the first category, jewelry. Wow, there is so many categories within the jewelry. Oh my goodness, we are overwhelmed. I also just want to say, like, I've never owned anything from Tiffany, so this is like a really amazing thing for me personally. There's a lot and I'm overwhelmed. So I'm clicking all and it doesn't show me all, so I still have to go category by category, so. But they're clumped into like necklaces, rings, all of everything. So, okay, let's go shop all new jewelry first. And the ones that pop up, I'm scrolling over the first one, and as we can see, it says $12,800, and I'm already canceling this video. But we can go to sort from low to high, and you guys know if you watch my videos of cheapest thing, we can go low to high, and then we can see what the lowest price item is in each category. So you guys don't have to worry, we're not gonna go through every single item and then it's gonna be, I hope it's not like 12,000. What if I'm gonna spend like $1,000? Like, I'm shaking. What if it's something I don't even like? We didn't even consider this. Okay, so the lowest price, these are the lowest price items. They're all very, very cute. I'm like, what? And that lowest price one is $380. $380 is the lowest price new jewelry item. Oh, I do not want to spend that. Please donate to my GoFundMe. The next section is necklace and pendants. I'm like scared a little bit. Here are the ones that pop up, and that first one there is $3,650. Looks like nobody's gonna have a good Christmas tonight in my family because I have to spend $380 on a disgusting bracelet. Low to high. What necklace and pendant is gonna be the lowest? The lowest price item is this just basic chain for $95. That's not that bad. Okay, we can live with that. I mean, I would never want that for $95. I could spend so many other things for $95 other than that, but we'll take it. Well, not like we'll take it, but we'll take it. So I'm just gonna go now and show you guys low to high on each of the other jewelry categories just to make this a little quicker. So the bracelets category, the lowest price item, you can see them all there, and the lowest one is $220, which those are all really cute bracelets, let's be honest. The lowest price earrings are right here for $200. For the lowest price ring, it's $245, and it's not even available. The lowest price brooch, I like it, it says it's pronounced, it's spelled brooch. I thought it was brooch. I'm so shook, but it's $365. I would never spend that on that. Like, what? I feel like that's so ugly and it's just like basic. That's probably the only weird thing to me. Let me know what you guys think. Like a ring, earrings, like so cute, but like who would spend $400 on a brooch? The lowest price charm, $30. Ooh, ooh, girl. Okay, okay. I can breathe now. $30. Okay, but what is it? It's a clasping link. That better not be what we get. What am I doing with that? It's not even anything cute. You can't even do anything with it. Okay, so the next entire category is love and engagement. And I wonder if I have to go through every single one of them. Let's just click explore all and see what happens. Oh no, you would literally have to go in one by one. So I will go with engagement rings first. Oh no, oh, okay, no, I'm done. So it's like a guide, services and everything. So I just have to click engagement rings. Honestly, I'm really not that smart. So I click engagement rings. Oh my God, these that pop up. I want that. So that second one, I would gladly love to be married with that. We're gonna hover over the price and see how much it is. I'm clicking the view details on this. Does it tell me how much it is? I'm falling over on my seat. The seat actually almost broke. Like what? So the lowest price one of these, depending on what diamond you're gonna get, is $44,000. And the most expensive one of this is gonna be $87,000. Well, I'm literally not getting married until it's that. And you have to call to purchase. I'm shaking. I just say that. I would totally be fine with like legit a ring pop. I literally would be. I'm just saying like, that would be nice though, wouldn't it not? You literally can't click low to high on the engagement rings. They're like, why are you clicking low to high? So we're just gonna get safe to say these are gonna be very expensive. When I scroll down, okay, this row right here, I would be so happy with any of these, let's be honest. Oh my God, this one in particular right here, and they literally all say view details. So I'm just gonna click the view details on this one because that one is absolutely stunning. I'm actually shocked right now, but I know that nothing is gonna be $30 or less, so we can really skip this category, but I wanna see how much that one is because I kind of need it. Okay, so as we see here, it is $53,000. Anyone with a Tiffany engagement ring, girl? I'm like, can I come? Like sharing is for caring, right? Then we have a men's wedding band set, women's, and then wedding band set, which I think we can just obviously, oh, there's low to high. Let's see the low to high for the men's wedding bands. Oh, they're really ugly looking. And this one says 1,050. Okay, I was actually expecting a lot more. But like a wedding band isn't supposed to be like, oh girl, I'm married. It's supposed to be like, oh girl, I'm engaged, right? That's why the engagement rings are like 80,000. No one's like, I'm married. Everyone's like, I know, I was there and I bought you a $400 cookware set. That you're never gonna use, so I don't want to hear it. The women's wedding band set, I just want to see the lowest price one. They're the same. They're the same, but uglier. Why is the women's one $695, but the men's is $1,000? The next category is watches, and this is what we see there. And it's just women's and men's watches. So I'm gonna show you guys the lowest price of the women's watch first. I'm gonna go get it. I mean, I'm not gonna get it. I'm gonna show it to you guys. Low to high. What's cute? Well, how much are you? 3 grand, 3 grand, 3 grand for a watch. Does that actually say 3 grand? 3 grand for the cheapest watch for women. 3 grand? Well, you know what? They can price things to however they want and people buy them. So I can't be like, oh my God. I'm just like, people are just like buying that. Oh my God. And then the men's ones, this is the cheapest one. So it's kind of the same, but it's like $3,300. I feel like that is so expensive for that, but it's obviously like quality and craftsmanship. I would just go onto like Wish and get one that kind of looks like that and be like, yeah, it's Tiffany. Okay, now we have a home and accessories section, which we have to go into every category. And as you guys can see, there's a lot of different categories. So I'm just gonna show you the low to high on each of these, which is actually kind of cool because they have a bunch of other categories like coffee and tea and pets and key rings. So yeah, I'm just gonna go really quickly through them and just show you low to high on each of those. Okay, so the cheapest tableware is $70. I like how they have different things like this. It's not just like watches and stuff. We might be able to find something for less than $30 here. The cheapest food and drinkware is $35 and it's not even available. The cheapest coffee and tea is the exact same as the tableware. The cheapest desk accessory is $40. We're getting closer to that 30 point. The cheapest decor is still the $40 book of the last one. The cheapest games and novelty is $120 for a box of playing cards. It's actually really cool. Expensive for playing cards, but really interesting if you like to play cards. And the teeny weeny little baby section is $140 for the cheapest bear and block round. What in the world does this say? Bear and block round box in bone china. Okay. I thought it was gonna be a teddy bear or like a cute set or something. It's a bone box. So that was all home. Now for the accessories. Women's, men's, leather, eyewear, key rings, and pets. What is that thing? What is that? What in the world? It is a heart coin purse. Oh, cute! $90, that's so cute! And they have journals. I wish that those were 30. I have to get a clasp probably. So now we're gonna do men's accessories. The cheapest one is this little thing right here for $175. What is it, just like a keychain? It's a keychain. Jesus, I want Kardashian money. The cheapest leather goods is still that men's thingamabob. Eyewear, $358. I was expecting a lot more. Eyewear's expecting a lot more. Keyring, it's the exact same things. Oh my God, I'm so excited for this pet section. I'm so excited. Oh my God. Okay, let's go low to high. Hopefully I can find something for my pet down here. The cheapest thing is a cat thing and I'm freaking out. It is, $140. Those are actually really cute though. If I was like real bouge, I'd probably get those. But you could probably find something that looks exactly like that at like Winners or like HomeSense or something. I don't know why we're spending $140 on one. And I have like how many cats? I would need, oh my God, we're just like not even gonna think that. Okay, so the very last section is the fragrance section because gifts and men are gonna be already things we looked at. So it is, I wonder if we can click shop all fragrance. Let's see. Oh, we can go shop all. Oh, there's only 18. So let's go low to high and see what we get. And it is, please be $30 or less. 50 bucks, that's not bad. And it's a shower gel. Okay, so we're getting a clasp. It was in the pennant section or whatever. Oh my God, what are we gonna do with that? Girl, help me. What are we gonna do with this? If there's any recommendations on what to, well, we're gonna get it shipped here and we'll see what it looks like when it gets here. I'm kind of freaking out. Wasting money 101 with Samantha. Okay, it's this thing right here, $30. Clasping link in sterling silver. She's sterling. Clasping link in sterling silver. Link opens to attach a charm. We didn't get a charm. Joking. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and add it to my bag and check out, and I will let you guys know when it gets here. Bye. And just so you guys know, it is complimentary shipping. Okay, I'll see you guys when it gets here. Hey cuties! Oh, I already did the intro, girl. It's been so long. At least it's here. One thing, literally signature required, because this could have been, you know, a $20,000 ring, right? I ordered it from Tiffany, so there has to be a signature. They literally just left it at my front door. Thank goodness it was the cheapest item, but still, like, it's still my item, bye. I'm so thankful I got it. We're gonna open it right now. I hope you guys are having a really good day today. Wow, I'm feeling happy right now. Ooh. One of these days I'm gonna cut myself. This opens this way. Wait, what? I don't know what's happening. Okay guys, that, like, the packaging, solid, secure. This is what we were looking like. Oh my God, just for a little item. I also didn't realize I was wearing Tiffany blue today. So the detailing, so it says Tiffany & Co there, and then here it says Tiffany. That is really impressive for just like the smallest item. So it just looks like this in the packaging, and then so nice. My return info, and you can fill all this out if you want to return it. Oh my goodness, look at that. There's like little note cards. Girl, I'm gonna put that in my journal. And then here we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, everyone. I've never had anything from Tiffany. I'm like shaking right now. I've had like a fake thing from, I bought at Value Village. It was like $2. It could have been Tiffany, but probably not. Look at this. Ready? Oh my God, they like went all out with this packaging, girl. And then this too. Care of sterling silver? What the hell? Oh my God, this feels so nice. This is probably the best, cheapest thing packaging we've had yet. And then the item. I don't know what I'm doing. This is like the first ever cheapest thing that I'm like, I don't know at all what I'm gonna do with this. It is a clasp. My nails are too long, I can't even hold it. So, go over to my Twitter. Let me know what you guys suggest for me to do with this. I literally have no ideas. I always say like, oh, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do with it, but this is the only thing I'm like, what? This thing, I'm excited for like the packaging. This I can put like little jewelry items in. I don't know. I am like, what do I do? So your guys' suggestions on this are gonna be really worth it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Nevertheless, I hope you guys got like a general idea. You guys love these, and I hope you guys have a really wonderful day, and I'll talk to you guys all in my next one. Bye.